Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video, we are going to have a look at why driving responsibly is very crucial. Abusing the transmission, ignoring warning lights, or redlining a cold engine is very deadly. Driving is a privilege, not just a convenience. So, irresponsible driving doesn't just risk your safety, it endangers others, it drains your wallet, and it can ruin lives in seconds. Let's have a look at why responsible driving matters, and let's have a look at how to do it right. Well, responsible driving saves lives, yours and others. Over 40,000 people die yearly in the US alone because of car crashes, and many due to reckless driving. Speeding, drunk driving, and distractions are leading causes of fatal accidents. Even small mistakes like running a red light, not checking blind spots can be deadly. So, what can you do? Always follow speed limits. They are set for road conditions, not as suggestions. Never drive impaired. Alcohol, drug, or drowsiness slows reaction time, leading to serious accidents. Always use turn signals whenever you are planning to make a change of direction or change of lane. Communicate your intentions to others. Check mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes. A single reckless decision can change or end a life forever. So, always drive responsibly, as it will save lives. It will save your life and others' life as well. Driving responsibly, avoid costly legal and financial consequences as well. If you are involved in a vehicle accident, it can cost you tens of thousands. It could be fine, legal fees, increased insurance. All this will add up. Speeding tickets raise insurance rate by 20 to 30% for years. And at-fault accidents lead to lawsuit, medical bills, and repair costs as well. So, in order to avoid all this, obey traffic laws. No aggressive acceleration, tailgating, or illegal passes are required. Stay away from all those. Put your phone away while you are driving. Texting while driving is 6 times more dangerous than drunk driving. Pull over if you're tired. If you feel drowsy, driving could cause 100,000 plus crashes every year. So pull over if you're tired. Stop driving, take a break, and then resume when you feel okay. One bad decision can drain your saving and future opportunities as well. Driving responsibly also reduces wear and tear on your vehicle. Hard braking and rapid acceleration wear out brakes, wear out tires, and transmission faster. Overloading your car strains suspension system and engine components as well. Ignoring potholes and rough road damages alignment and lead to shock absorber damage as well. So, smoothly accelerate, smoothly brake. This will save gas and this will reduce wear on your vehicle components, and if possible, try to avoid potholes and rough roads. Don't exceed payload limits. Check your owner's manual for your vehicle's specific load limit. Don't exceed that. Responsible driving equals fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs. So, driving responsibly also reduces vehicle wear and vehicle damage. Driving responsibly keeps your insurance rate low as well. Accidents and tickets stay on your record for 3 to 5 years, raising premiums, and multiple violations can make you high risk, doubling your rates. Some insurers even drop reckless drivers entirely. So, maintain a clean driving record. That will help you get discounts. Speeding or at-fault crashes will increase premiums in the long run. Take a defensive driving course. Some insurers offer discount for drivers who take defensive driving course. And choose safe car. Models with good crash rating often have lower rates. So safe drivers pay less. Simple as that. And finally, driving responsibly sets a good example, especially for new drivers. Teens mimic their parents' driving habit. If their parents are driving bad, they mimic that. If their parents are driving good, they mimic that as well. Aggressive driving normalizes road rage and risky behavior. Respectful driving improves traffic flow for everyone. So stay calm in traffic. No honking, no yelling, or no cutting people off. And let others merge. Being courteous reduces accidents. Explain safe driving habit to new drivers. Explain why seatbelts are crucial, why following distance is very crucial. You can explain all those. Driving responsibly make roads safer for future generations as well. So, there are some do's and don'ts whenever you are driving. Let's have a look at the do's and the don't. Do follow the speed limits. Don't speed or don't race. And use turn signals. Don't switch lanes abruptly. Keep a safe following distance whenever you are driving. Don't tailgate. Check blind spots whenever you are planning to make changes to your direction of travel. So don't assume others will see you. See them first. Stay off the phone while you're driving. Don't text or don't scroll while driving. And drive sober. Don't drive under the influence. So these are some of the do's and don'ts. If you drive irresponsibly, then you don't deserve your license, let alone your car. Reckless driving kills, it costs money, and it ruins vehicles, ruins people's life as well. Safe driving protects you, protects your passengers, protect other road users, and everyone around you will get protected when you follow safety rules. A responsible driver is a smarter, wealthier, and longer living driver. So drive like your life depends on it, because it really does. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding some of the benefits of responsible driving and how you can be a responsible driver. If you find this video helpful and if you like what has been presented, smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.